Introducing the Rode Milk Vending Machine for selling loose milk. It comes with versatile push buttons and a double display RFID panel. The milk can be dispensed just by pressing a button or by showing your RFID card with preloaded money. The milk will be dispensed in the container with predetermined volume. The machine is available in different capacities and with multiple dispensing stations to dispense different varieties of milk, such as cow milk, buffalo milk, mixed milk, and more. The machine helps the milk to remain chilled and be delivered fresh to the customers. These machines can also be comfortably placed in mini trucks and be delivered directly to your homes or at any other convenient location. Our Rode milk vending machines are insulated, which ensure high quality of milk is dispensed at all times. The machine helps the milk to remain chilled and be delivered fresh to the customers.